Did you know that over 74% of reported state-sponsored malware attacks now involve sophisticated social engineering tactics, putting countless unsuspecting job seekers at risk? In this video, we delve into the alarming rise of OtterCookie, a newly identified strain of malware linked to North Korean cyber actors. These threat groups have been deploying deceptive recruitment campaigns, referred to as the contagious interview campaign, to spread malware through seemingly innocent video conferencing apps or NPM packages. By posing as legitimate recruiters, they aim to compromise devices belonging to job seekers, ultimately stealing data and even cryptocurrency wallets. Recent discoveries by Japanese cybersecurity firm NTT Security Holdings indicate that the JavaScript malware used in the initiation of Beavertail is also engineered to retrieve and execute OtterCookie. The new ransomware reportedly emerged in September 2024, with a subsequent variant identified in the wild last month. Upon execution, OtterCookie initiates communication with a command and control C2 server using the socket.io JavaScript library and awaits more directives. It is designed to execute shell commands that enable data exfiltration, including files, clipboard data, and cryptocurrency wallet keys. The previously identified OtterCookie version from September has functional similarities, although it features a slight implementation variation wherein the cryptocurrency wallet key stealing capability is included directly within the malware rather than relying on a remote shell command. The development indicates that the threat actors are actively refining their tools while mostly preserving the infection chain, demonstrating the ongoing efficacy of the campaign. South Korea imposes sanctions on 50 North Koreans for IT worker fraud. South Korea's Ministry of Foreign Affairs has sanctioned 15 individuals and one organization linked to a fraudulent IT worker scheme devised by North Korea to illicitly generate a consistent income stream for the regime, facilitate data theft, and, in certain instances, extort ransoms. Evidence indicates that the famous Holima threat cluster is also responsible for the insider threat operation. It is also referred to by other names, including Nickel Tapestry, UNC 5267, and Wagamole. Kim Ryu-song, one of the 15 sanctioned individuals, was indicted by the U.S. Department of Justice earlier this month for his purported participation in a protracted conspiracy to breach sanctions and perpetrate wire fraud, money laundering, and identity theft by unlawfully pursuing employment with U.S. companies and non-profit organizations. The Chosun Gyeongjung-ain Economic Information Technology Exchange Company, also sanctioned by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, is accused of sending numerous IT personnel to China, Russia, Southeast Asia, and Africa to obtain funds for the regime by securing freelance or full-time employment with Western companies. The IT personnel are reportedly affiliated with the 313th General Bureau, an entity inside the Munitions Industry Department of the Workers' Party of Korea. The 313th General Bureau transfers several North Korean IT specialists abroad using the foreign cash acquired to finance nuclear and missile research, and is also engaged in military software development according to the ministry. North Korea's illicit cyber operations are criminal actions that jeopardize the integrity of the cyber ecosystem and represent a significant danger to world peace and security, since they finance the nation's nuclear and missile development. As cybersecurity experts emphasize, the main lesson here is that human vulnerability remains a top exploit in today's digital threat landscape. The best way to protect yourself: always verify the authenticity of any recruiter you're speaking with. Double-check domain names, avoid downloading unverified software, and keep all devices and applications updated. Vigilance and layered security, such as endpoint protection and multi-factor authentication, are crucial in thwarting these sophisticated espionage efforts. What additional strategies do you think job seekers and companies should adopt to guard against these highly targeted malware campaigns? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Remember to check out my other videos for more insights on the latest tech trends and cyber awareness. Thank you for watching.